Hello everybody, today I am sharing with you my next project for Crafty Me Shop, and this is an altered ice bucket. Some of you may recall a few weeks ago I came across an ice bucket while out thrifting. It was a very loud, gaudy ice bucket, and this is what it was covered in, and this is what I have transformed it into. I have used the beautiful beaded pieces from Crafty Me Shop, and I think it has turned out so pretty. The actual skirt here is a baby's tulle, like a baby's fairy skirt, like this sort of thing, that I found quite some time ago, and it fits perfectly, just skims the ground, so that's really nice. And I will start at the top here. First of all, I painted the visible parts in an antique white Kaisercraft paint. With this handle piece, I also put some Recollections glitter over that. I have used a couple of my own gathered trims. This one here, this is a doily piece. This is my own gathered trim. Then I've put the lovely doily, trying not to, there we go, the lovely doily piece that Pam sent me here, and then the beautiful beaded trim from Crafty Me Shop around the center there. Along the top I've put some pink cording. Then I've used ribbons around the rim and gone over those ribbons with this beautiful beaded trim from Crafty Me Shop. I have made a large flower on this side here, and it consists of this beautiful lace from Crafty Me Shop, a couple of those butterflies that I cut out of a curtain, and they just I've just joined them together to give a flower effect, and then this absolutely gorgeous beaded flower here from Crafty Me Shop. Has a slight yellow tinge to it, but I'm okay with that because the butterflies have a yellowy color, and also the doilies give off a yellow hue as well, so I think that works well. And my own flower in the center there. I've used this beautiful pink beaded applique from Crafty Me Shop and cut a couple of the leaves off and place them around the flower, and the beautiful blue sprays from Crafty Me Shop also. I also put my own beaded dangle trim around the edge there. On this side here I've used my own ribbon. I've used another piece of that beautiful yellowy color beaded flower applique here, a couple of my own flowers, and once again the lovely blue spray piece from Crafty Me Shop. And of course this could be used for Easter. I mean, it's an insulated container, so putting chocolates inside would be a wonderful idea, but you could use it for birthday parties. You could just use it for storage in your craft room. Okay, I will just put the camera down and take the lid off because I need to put the camera down to do that and show you the inside. But before I do that, I forgot to mention this lovely trim across the handle here from Crafty Me Shop. Also, it has a line of pearls. There you go. Right down the center, and I've just folded that over the handle and glued that on. This is all glued. Okay, now I'll take the lid off and I will show you the inside. So this is the inside of the lid here. Once again, I've put my own lace trimmer right around the edge, and then I've used the last little pieces of the Pink Christmas kit, paper pad from Stamperia that I had left. They're not too Christmassy, these pictures, but they are pretty and I wanted to use them. And also under that under this one here I have another one of those beautiful doilies from Pam, and I cut the center of this piece of paper out so that the center flower, because it's quite dimensional on the doily, could pop through, and then just another bit of that sequined, that beaded trim from Crafty Me shop. And then inside I have just lined it with paper, as you can see there, and just distress the edges a little bit of the paper. And that is also the remains of the Pink Christmas by Stamperia paper. Let me just, there you go, there's the bottom there. I did initially paint the edges here, which was perhaps a mistake, because this is actually metal inside, and I wanted it to look nice, but of course as you put the lid on and off, that's going to get scratched off, but I guess that adds to the shabby look, doesn't it? Okay, so that's the inside. Underneath I have just, let me turn it around perhaps. Underneath I have just covered the actual ice bucket with a paper from Kay's Craft. It's very plain looking paper. I don't know if you can see that properly. No, I can't do that with one hand, I'm so sorry. It's just a plain textured, there you go, that gives you, it's like a distressed whitewashed finish paper that I've used. And then around the bottom rim I've just put some satin, because you don't see those things, but I still wanted it to look pretty. And the back has just got the trim all the way around, the same as the front. So there we go. Just put that there and see if I can use my other hand and place the lid back on. And I left the rim of the lid there silver as well, just so that it didn't get scratched up by that time I'd realised. So just push it down, and that's it. That's my lovely altered ice bucket, and I hope you like it. I have fun making it. I love how pretty it turned out. It's very Easterish, isn't it? So and it goes in my craft room very prettily, and it will be useful. So thank you for joining me today, and I will be back again next week with another project from Crafty Me shop. I'm not sure what that will be. It might be using my snippet pieces or something like that. So take care, everybody. Bye bye.